If your email marketing feels like shouting into the void, you're missing out on a goldmine. Email marketing isn't just alive and well, it's thriving. In today's digital landscape, it's one of the most powerful tools for business growth. But why do so many business owners struggle with it? Let's talk challenges. Low open rates, lack of engagement. We get it, it can feel like no one's reading your email, but don't worry, we're here to help you turn things around. First up, segment your audience. Don't send the same email to everyone. Tailor your messages to different groups based on their interests and behavior. Next, personalize your content. It's not just about adding a first name. Make your emails feel like a one-on-one conversation. And of course, nail those subject lines. Great subject line is your first impression. Make it count. Need proof that these tips work? Let's talk about Sarah's Boutique. After segmenting her list and personalizing emails, her open rates doubled and sales soared by 30%. That's the magic of effective email marketing. So to recap, segment your audience, personalize your content, and optimize your subject lines. These simple strategies can transform your email marketing game. Ready to boost your business? Drop a comment with your email marketing wins or struggles, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Let's grow together.